Today at the National Press Club, the president of the Tibetan government in exile, Penpa Tsering. Penpa is the political leader of the Tibetan government in exile, headquartered in northern India. Here's Penpa Tsering with today's National Press Club address.
Thank you.
Thank you. If I speak a little bit about the situation of Tibetans inside Tibet, Freedom House, the international watchdog, has designated Tibet as one of the least free countries alongside South Sudan and Syria. That itself explains it's not the Tibetans who are saying we are the least free country in the world. It's the international watchdog that's saying. The event here at the press club, we know that Chinese government, the ambassador here, asked the press club to disinvite me. And I always thank the Chinese government for being our best publicity agent.